Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. If you have any Samsung A series like A10, S, A20, A30, A50, A02, A03, whatever you have a Samsung A0, A series. A series is have a common problem like that screen is going blank. So you can see here, let me I put on charge. So here you can see if I put on charge it's not going to show anything, and if I put my same phone like here, so you will see it's going to be, so I screen off. You can see here red light, you can see here red light. So let me take it off. You can see here it's going off. So if I put on charge, you can see the screen is gone. So if I put charge on that phone, so here you can't see anything. It's very common problem in A series. Whatever you have a A01 to A90, whatever you have, if it's going screen is black, so nothing problem. Just what do you do? Simply take it off charge. First of all, you if you don't know your phone is full and is full, if your phone is not charged, like if it's not charged, so it's not going on. So first of all you have to charge your phone like 30 minutes 40 minutes. So put on charge nicely, you check it, you check another phone is charging, then you press power button and volume down, power button and volume down, like this button. That is any phone whatever you have press and hold it like until when you feel vibrate. When you feel vibrate, so release it button, hold it. I still didn't feel anything, now I feel vibrate. So you can see here his phone is get on. That is just problem, it's nothing problem. This people is thinking is now is going on, people is thinking phone is going dead, software problem, nothing problem, just is going off. I don't know why they have a Samsung is have a this common problem. If your phone is get off and it's not charging, it's not doing anything, just press and hold volume down and power button. So until when you feel vibrate, when you feel vibrate, release all button. So is I hope is going to be help this video. So you can see here phone is get on. So if this video is help you, please like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye, take care.